So today we're going to take a look at what comes with a Kooks header and connection kit. In this particular case, this is the kit for S550, S650 Mustang. So let's take a look. You get some packing paper because we want to make sure that when you spend this kind of money on awesome parts, they're still as awesome when they get to you as they were when we made them. Some parts here that are wrapped in paper, so make sure as you're unboxing it and pulling out all the packing material, if it feels like there's something in it, there is. So this stuff is your OEM adapters and then your front connection pipes. And look at that. That is a 1 3/4 inch by 3 stainless steel Kooks header. There's its mate. Right here. So with these kits, when it's a header and connection kit, pretty self-explanatory, it's headers and connections. But what that name doesn't tell you is that it includes everything that you need for installation. So in this case, we've got our green catted connection pipes. So these are for a street car, not a race car. And these strange little guys actually allow you to connect the Kooks header and connection to your factory exhaust. So those of you that have been under your S550 or S650 know that you have that barrel clamp connection right at the front of your resonator. That's 2 1/4 inches. This gets you from 3 inch down to 2 1/4, so you can hook right into your OEM exhaust without any modifications. All right. The really cool thing about the way this is laid out is if you get this header and connection kit and you decide, okay, now I want to go with a Kooks exhaust. These adapters come off, and what they do is actually emulate the front of our X and H pipes. These connection pipes, you take these adapters off, they plug right into that, and you've got Kooks as far back as you want it. One thing that we definitely get a lot of questions on is, does it include gaskets? Well, the answer is yes. We always include a header installation kit box. It'll look like this. It'll be down inside the box next to the headers. When you get these, you're gonna get, in this case, clamps to clamp either the OEM adapters or the aforementioned X pipe to your front connection pipes. You're gonna get, in this case, a nice set of stainless Kooks header bolts. You're also gonna get the Kooks ball and socket connection bolts to attach your front connection pipes to your headers. You're also gonna get this badass multi-layer stainless steel gasket that's gonna give you the bolt patterns for both Coyote and Voodoo. So it'll work on Gen 1 through Gen 4 Coyotes and Voodoo and Predator. Anything that's got either one of those bolt patterns, that'll take care of you right there. You're gonna get your O2 extensions. In this case, this header kit fits 2015 to current. So depending on the year, you might need 1 O2 extension, you might need 2. We've got both of them included here, along with a nice printed out set of installation instructions, some anti-seize to use on your clamps, and the most important part, the install's not done until you've got stickers on either your quarter windows or your toolbox, right? If you paid somebody to install your headers, they probably took your stickers. I promise you, we put stickers in the box. So that's everything.